First of all, open your browser. Type the rp.su in search box and press enter. After opening the website, click on Install all required drivers. Save drivers pack to the desired location. Now, click on the downloaded file to run. Hold on till the installation is being done. Now, check the radio button in front of Run in the expert mode. Now, wait for the diagnostics of the required drivers.
Welcome to the expert mode. Here you can manage your computer configuring in the least details. I have already analyzed all devices on your computer and selected the following drivers. Notice that we also suggest several alternative drivers for each device. Just click a device name and you will see them yourself. Congratulations! Together we have almost completed installation. It's time to reboot your computer.